The Flat Earth, a bizarre myth or an unacknowledged truth? Join us as we explore the edges of this controversial belief. Are we all victims of a global deception? The belief of a flat Earth is a concept as ancient as civilization itself. After all, from our perspective on the ground, the horizon does seem to extend endlessly flat. The sun and the stars appear to revolve around us, and the edge of our planet could potentially hold great secrets untold. Welcome to another episode of Weird Rewind, where history's mysteries are unraveled. Our journey begins in the cradle of civilization, where early societies grappled with the mysteries of the natural world. The Mesopotamians, with their storied history and deep connection to astronomy, envisioned the Earth as a flat disk floating in an ocean, surrounded by a physical sky dome, an idea that was also shared by many ancient cultures, including the early Egyptians and Indian civilizations. In ancient Greece, commonly referred to as the birthplace of philosophical thought and scientific inquiry, the shape of the Earth became a subject of debate and contemplation. Pioneering thinkers like Thales and Anaximander proposed various models of the Earth, from a flat disk to a cylinder. Yet it was the spherical model proposed by Pythagoras that eventually gained traction, laying the groundwork for a modern understanding of the Earth's shape. In around 330 BC, one of the simplest yet most profound experiments of all time was conducted by a Greek polymath named Eratosthenes. Residing in Alexandria, he learned that in the Egyptian city of Syene, no vertical shadows were cast at noon on the summer solstice. This was largely due to the fact that the sun was directly overhead. However, 500 miles away, in Alexandria, vertical objects did cast shadows at the same time. By measuring the angle of these shadows and using the distance between Syene and Alexandria, Eratosthenes calculated the Earth's circumference with remarkable accuracy. Scientific inquiries such as this laid the foundation for understanding our world, challenging ancient beliefs with observable and measurable facts. Fast forward to the Middle Ages in Europe, a time that's often mischaracterized as uniformly believing in a flat Earth, when in reality, educated Europeans knew the Earth was spherical, a knowledge retained from the Greek philosophers. Contrastingly, in the rural and more isolated regions of Europe, where access to such scholarly education was limited, older beliefs and folklore held sway. It was in these communities that the flat Earth concept persisted, not necessarily out of ignorance, but as part of local traditions and oral histories that were passed down through the generations. These beliefs, steeped in the lore of the land and the sky, were a testament to the diverse and complex tapestry of medieval European culture. In the Islamic Golden Age, scholars like al-Biruni and Ibn Hazm discussed and debated the Earth's sphericity, making significant contributions to our understanding of geography and astronomy. Their works, rich with observations and calculations, echoed the earlier thoughts of the Greeks and further dispelled the notion of a flat Earth. Further east, or further right if you still believe in the flat Earth, Chinese and Indian astronomers conducted their own studies of celestial bodies, contributing to a rich global tapestry of scientific knowledge. These developments, occurring independently yet in parallel with the Islamic world, highlighted a shared human endeavor to understand the nature of our world. Fast forward to the present, and the flat Earth theory has experienced a surprising resurgence. Organizations such as the Modern Flat Earth Society, which was re-established in the mid-20th century, along with the rise of internet and social media platforms, have given new voice to this archaic belief. In an age where information is at our fingertips, one might wonder why a scientifically disproven idea gains traction. The reasons range from a deep-rooted mistrust in scientific authorities to a paradoxical use of technology to spread misinformation. But what is the evidence that gives advocates of the flat Earth theory their soapbox?
The Earth looks flat from where I stand.
Flat Earth proponents often point to the appearance of a flat horizon as evidence for their beliefs. To the naked eye, especially at sea level or on flat plains, the horizon appears as a straight line. leading some to conclude that the Earth must be flat. However, this perception changes with altitude. As one ascends, whether in a high-altitude balloon, a mountain, or an airplane, the curvature of the Earth becomes increasingly apparent. This curvature is not a matter of perspective, but a physical reality of our planet's shape.
Well, why doesn't the water roll off the edge?
Another point often raised is with the claim that water, being fluid, would not be able to adhere to a curved surface. This argument, however, overlooks the role of something called gravity, a fundamental force that acts upon all objects, including water. Earth's gravity constantly draws matter towards our planet's center, thereby shaping the planet into a sphere. Consequently, bodies of water like oceans and lakes naturally align with the Earth's curvature, held in place by gravity's pull, rather than spilling over any edge.
Aha! But is gravity really real?
Some flat earthers believe that gravity is an illusion, proposing alternative explanations like universal acceleration. However, the principles of gravity are not only well documented, but have been repeatedly tested and confirmed through centuries of experiments and observations. The phenomenon known as gravity is observable in everything in the known universe, from the falling of an apple to the orbiting of moons around planets billions of miles away.
But photos from space of Earth are fake.
Flat earthers often dismiss photos of the Earth from space, claiming them to be fabrications. However, these images, captured by various independent space agencies and satellites over decades, provide consistent, verifiable evidence of the Earth's spherical shape. The International Space Station, for instance, offers a live feed of the Earth from space showing its round shape in real time. While flat Earth theories present arguments that may seem convincing at a surface level, they completely fall apart under scientific scrutiny. Understanding why people subscribe to the flat Earth theory requires delving into psychology. Experts suggest factors like the appeal of being part of a community that challenges the status quo, the attraction of believing in a hidden truth, and a general tendency towards conspiracy thinking. In an era where skepticism is often celebrated, the flat Earth belief system provides an extreme example of distrust in established knowledge and expertise. Furthermore, in the digital age, technology plays a dual role. While it has been instrumental in advancing knowledge and spreading education, it has also become a tool for propagating misinformation. Social platforms have become battlegrounds where flat Earth theories are propagated and challenged. This highlights the importance of media literacy and the ability to critically evaluate information. As we conclude our exploration of the flat Earth theory, it's evident that scientific literacy is more important than ever. In a world where myths can be easily mistaken for facts, the ability to discern truth from fiction is crucial. The story of the flat Earth theory is not just about a group of people refusing to accept scientific evidence. It's about the broader challenge of educating and informing in a way that resonates with and includes everyone. The quest for knowledge is an ongoing adventure, fraught with challenges and revelations. It's a journey that not only teaches us about our world, but also about ourselves and our capacity for belief and understanding. Stay curious, always be ready to challenge the unknown, subscribe to our channel, and keep questioning the past to understand the present. See you in the next rewind.